A Mandarin-speaking man has called a bank to set up a new account. He is talking with the bank's teller.
The dialogue begins now.
Hello. How may I assist you this afternoon?
我想开个新账户。
Of course. Are you interested in opening a savings account, applying for a loan, or are you considering something different?
我想开个简单的储蓄账户。我也想能够通过网络来查账户余额，进行网上交易等等。
Sure. May I have your date of birth, please? And could you please provide your postal address as well?
我是在1975年8月15号出生的，澳大利亚维多利亚州墨尔本 Chester 街2号7单位，邮政编码是3000。
May I also have your phone number and email address, please?
我的手机号码是0402485104，电子邮件是58391857，地址符 qq.com。
All right. Take your time. Before we proceed, may I ask what type of personal identification you have?
我有中国护照，号码是5844911098747125。
There are several terms and conditions that we need to review before I can open your account. The interest rate for our savings account is 3.5% per annum, and there are no monthly fees associated with maintaining the account.
那也就是为什么我最后选了你的银行。虽然你的知名度比知名银行低一些，但是你们的费用很低，而且服务貌似很不错。
That's wonderful news. However, it's important to note that using an ATM not owned by our bank will result in a $2 fee.
我知道的。然而，在我家附近有一家你们的分行，而且我看到在市中心有挺多你们银行的取款机。
Exactly. There's an app available for download that can assist you in locating ATMs, which can be quite handy. Now, I'll need to collect an initial deposit from you.
没问题的。 我在另外一个账户有150澳币，我现在可以转给你。
End of dialogue.